Hi guys, my name is Faisal. You are watching Technology in the Future. So here are the specifications and prices of the iPhone 14 Pro published long before the official announcement. The screen will be made using LTPO technology, so the minimum refresh rate can be 1 Hz. The sources has published detailed specification and prices of the flagship smartphone iPhone 14 Pro, which is due to be presented this fall along with 3 other models. The iPhone 14 Pro will reportedly feature 6.06 inches 255 by 1170 pixels OLED screen with 460 ppi and support for an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. The screen will be made using LTPO technology, so the minimum refresh rate can be 1 Hz. Inside the iPhone 14 Pro will be installed the latest Apple A16 Bionic single chip system, which is manufactured by TSMC using a 4nm process technology. The source confirmed that such a platform will be only installed in the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. The two younger versions will be used in last year's Apple A15 platform. The iPhone 14 Pro will have 6GB of LPDDR5 RAM. Buyers will be offered a choice of version with 128, 256, 512GB or 1TB of non-volatile memory. The iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max model will continue to use LPDDR4X RAM. The main camera will feature a new 48MP f1.13-inch optical image sensor capable of recording 8K video. Two additional modules will retain a resolution of 12 megapixels. Together banks the screen will receive two cutouts. The width of the display frame will be only 1.95 mm. The frame of the iPhone 14 Pro will be almost 20% narrower than its predecessor. The middle frame of the smartphone will be made of titanium alloy, due to which the smartphone will be a little lighter. Now the frame is made of stainless steel. This iPhone 14 Pro is expected to support 35 watts of fast battery charging. The smartphone will comply with the degree of protection IP68. The price of the device will start at $1,100 for 6GB of RAM and 128GB of flash memory. Yesterday, the network has published the detailed specification and prices of the iPhone 14 Max. The source writes that the smartphone will be equipped with a 6.68 inches OLED display with a resolution of 2848 by 1284 pixels. This screen will have a density of 458 pixels per inch and support a refresh rate of 90 Hz. The iPhone 14 Max will be based on the Apple A15 Bionic single chip system. It will receive 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB or 256GB of internal flash memory. On the back of the iPhone 14 Max, a dual camera will be installed consisting of two image sensors with a resolution of 12 megapixels. There is also information that the quality of the front camera will be improved and the possibility of satellite communication will be added. The iPhone 14 Max version comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Will reportedly cost $900. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well.